Olá pessoal, agora aqui no stand da Actus eu vou conversar com o meu amigo Ken Rubin. Ken, good morning.
Good morning. Great
How
to
are
see you, Joel.
Great to see you too.
Again, I should say, we've been working together, what, over 20 years now?
Kind of.
Yeah,
Yes.
originally with Volleycom, but now here at Actus, we're doing great things with video systems. And can I tell you a little bit about what's going on at NAB here?
Absolutely, that's why we're here.
Fantastic.
We want to hear from you about the news, what you got
Yeah.
for NAB.
Let me warn people at home, it's before show hours. That's why the booth is empty, because it's been busy all week, slam-packed, back-to-back meetings all day long, all 3 days. But let me tell you why. For over 17 years, Actus has been selling a comprehensive system with a lot of features and functions. But at this NAB, we've turned those features and functions into 6 specific products. So now you can buy just one product. It's affordable because it does one thing, or it's still in the same platform. You can add any combination of those things.
Absolutely great. I heard you guys also sell just software, hardware. I mean, how does it work when someone wants to buy a solution from you?
Yeah, especially in Brazil, sometimes it's hard for them to import hardware. So we're happy to sell just software. When they want a turnkey system, we're happy to provide it as a turnkey system. And in that case, all the support is from HP or Dell as well as from Actus. But Video Systems has been very helpful to source it the way that the customers want. We also work on VMs and in the cloud.
That's nice. You guys also has the artificial intelligence.
Yes.
You've been doing a great job with that.
Yes.
Can you talk about that?
Sure. 4 of the 6 things that we're selling now are things that we've been doing a long time, but there's 2 new products at the show that we announced. One is the artificial intelligence. It's for news agencies and governments that want to have media insight into content that's come across radio or television. It allows summaries, speech to text, transcription, translation. You could search for a word in English and get responses that were spoken in Portuguese. It does face detection, logo detection, summaries. There's a lot of great tools in there.
Yeah, nice. There is something else I think the Brazilian customer should know. You guys have a module for advertisement. You can check if they want that.
Yeah, that's also part of our AI, and that is our ad watch. We have content compare, which is are the others compared to the original correct, but we also have ad watch, which is to create a lead list for stations or networks that want to look at their competitors and see which commercials are airing. When there's a new commercial, they're notified, and they can do a report called a Delta report and see which commercials are airing more on competitor stations than on my station. You turn that down and put the ones that have the biggest Delta, and it becomes an organized lead list for the sales.
Nice.
Yeah.
About social media,
Yes.
What other platform can you guys send content?
Just about all of them. We are integrated inside the platform. What's nice about it is once one person sets it up, anyone else can do a few in and out points, concatenate, add a pre-roll, a post-roll, a bug, select the profile, and it will go to many social media points, maybe the Weatherman's Facebook page and the TV station's Facebook page, plus X or YouTube or their website. Anything they set up in the profile, once they set it up once, they can use it over and over again.
Yeah, nice.
It's nice workflows.
Before we finish, I just want to say congratulations for the award.
Yeah,
guys got
thank
it.
you. Once again, last year we won the TV Tech Award for our OTT Stream Watch, which is still fantastic for OTT monitoring. This year, Actus MV, it's a standalone multi-viewer. We've done multi-viewers for 17 years. We've integrated some of those features that we've had from compliance into the multi-viewer, and now we have some really big customers buying 400 and 500 channel multi-viewers because it's interactive. On the wall, on the multi-viewer, they can rewind to see what caused something that showed up in the penalty box. It's really cool. It's a little bit intuitive, and you wouldn't think after all these years of multi-viewers there would be anything intuitive to do. Yeah. Actus has done it, so it's pretty fantastic.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
It's a pleasure.
My pleasure.
You. Thank you very
Great
much.
to see you again.
Agora no estande da MultiDyne, que tanto eu quanto os clientes no Brasil que possuem a solução simplesmente adoram. Se você faz produção ao vivo, com certeza você precisa de algum produto da MultiDyne. Hoje a gente vai estar falando de 4 produtos bastante interessantes, né, que a MultiDyne costuma oferecer bastante aos clientes, e eu tenho certeza que vocês vão gostar. Michael, how are you?
Good, Joel. Good to see you
Good
again.
to see you too.
Hi.
Can you please tell the Brazilian customers at least 4 products that they must have once they do live production?
Sure. We're looking at our Honey Badger system. This is our stadium and campus production signal extension system. It's basically 8 cameras inputs, 8 camera outputs, Genlock sync output. And then you have here, we have our mic line video or mic line audio inputs. It's switchable between mic line and phantom power, as well as your audio outputs. We also have 8 channels of intercom. So you have 8 channels of intercom come in here on the 4-wire side, converted to 2-wire on the field side with party line. We also have 2 gigabit Ethernet interfaces, as well as 2 data interfaces, GPIO and Tally. All that signal connectivity is over 2 single mode fibers. It could be either ST, LC, Neutrik optical con, or SEMTI without power. It has a battery backup as well, so if your cameras are in record mode and you were to lose power, you would still be running.
Amazing.
Yes.
Can we talk about the other one?
Sure, let's go.
Let's go.
All right. So here we're standing in front of our VF9000. This is our versatile optical transport system for bulk fiber optic transport. This system is capable of transporting up to 36 12G SDIs over 2 single mode fibers. In addition to 12G SDI, you can also do audio, gigabit Ethernet, 10 gigabit Ethernet, timecode, MADI, sync, HDMI. So new at the show, we're introducing a new 10 gigabit Ethernet card for the VF9000. Also HDMI in, HDMI out, so you can now transport HDMI signals up to 20 kilometers away.
You also have something here.
Something new here for the OpenGear platform is our new 2110 gateway card. So this is a dual 25G SFPs with dual hitless redundancy switching, capability of doing 2 12Gs in, 2 12Gs out, or a single 12G in, single 12G out on one card. Or in the 3G mode, you can do 6x2, 4x4, 3x3. Using 10 gig optics, we can do 3x3, or 10 gig optics, we can also JPEG XS compression for 2 channels. So two channels out JPEG XS, or 2 channels in JPEG XS.
Before we go to the next one, I just want to make sure you got 2 awards, right?
Yeah, one was given originally to the founder of our company. He designed a portable audio signal generator, and he was awarded that back in 2016. And last year at NAB, we were awarded the second Emmy Award, as you can see indicated here on my shirt, for the Silverback V, which is our flagship product, the fiber camera adapter system. I could take you over here and show you right now.
Let's see it.
So here we are. This is the Emmy Award-winning product here, the Silverback V, which is mounted on a Sony Venice. It could be mounted on other cameras because it's camera agnostic. And the basic premise of this is to power 2 single separate camera chains over SEMTI fiber optic cable up to 1,000 meters away. If we were to use our 8 power supply, we could go up to 3,000 meters away over SEMTI hybrid fiber cable. So that will power the Silverback as well as the camera. It'll take all the I/O from the camera, 12G SDI, dual 6G SDI, quad 3G SDI. There's also a 3G SDI additional path, return video, viewfinder, gigabit Ethernet for control. There's intercom audio for the camera operator. There's 2 mic inputs. There's an additional 4x4 audio transport layer that you can use. There's also timecode, reference, GPIO, Tally, data.
All they need.
All they need. Everything that they could possibly need. That all goes back to a central dual base station. As I said, is capable of powering 2 independent camera chains up to 1,000 meters away.
Amazing.
Amazing.
As I said, I love MultiDyne, and our customers in Brazil love MultiDyne as well. That's why. Thank you very much.
Thanks, Joel. It's great seeing you again.
Good to see you again. Pessoal, agora no stand da Konvision, que é uma empresa que a Video Systems representa já há alguns anos, de forma exclusiva no Brasil, e eles possuem soluções, qualquer tipo de monitor que você precisa, seja para a central técnica, unidade móvel ou monitor de referência para pós-produção, a Konvision atende com excelência. Eu vou conversar agora com o John, que é o Sales Director da Konvision. Ele vai passar para a gente um pouquinho do que ele trouxe de novidade aqui para a NAB. Hi John, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Zao.
Thank you. Can you tell us about the new products you guys brought to the show, and also an overview about the company?
Okay, so this time we bring some new products here. For example, the first one is the OLED monitor, and it is 4K, and brightness is 1000 nits. It is high contrast ratio, 1.5 million to 1. So it is master level grade 1 reference monitor. So you can use it for the high-end color grading with the DaVinci Resolve and base light, and also for some post-production and post-editing. Also for the control rooms as a master level monitors. And then we have some new products like the IP monitor. We bring a 2110 monitor here, so you can just feed a fiber directly to the monitor. Yeah. You don't need any IPG. You don't need any converter from IP to SDI. So this monitor is very simple to the 2110 IP system. Mm-hmm. And it is 4K.
That's awesome.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
And you guys have all the size, I mean, if we look for small monitors, big monitors, you guys have.
Yeah, we have the full range from the small size like 4-inch, the quad, and also the standalone 7-inch up to 55 and 65 inches.
That's amazing.
So the full range.
Okay.
And also we have some new products like the recording monitor, supports ProRes format to do the recording, and also with the brightness screen, and also you can touch it with the touch screen. And you can use it on set, on camera, and also for studios to record some professional videos. Yeah.
I heard you guys have a big market share in Asia. Is that right?
Yeah. We sell a lot of units to the markets in Asian countries, especially in China. We take more than 80% market in the leading national broadcasters, and also we are selling a lot of pieces in Europe. I think more than 80% national broadcasters in Europe already using Konvision monitors, and also here in the US, like Fox Group, Fox Sports, they are using more than 200 units of Konvision monitors. Yeah, and also we are introducing the monitors here we like to sell our monitors in Brazil, and we like to give the good product and good service here.
Yes, the customers we sold already our monitors, they are really happy.
Thank you.
And we keep selling, I mean, they are happy, and we are going to keep selling and help you guys to develop business for sure.
Thank you, we are happy.
Thank you very much for your time.